Hey everybody, I am so excited to share my new project for my new workshop. It is an online workshop. It is $15 over on my website, and that is going to last for 2 weeks. And I do have something special for one lucky person, but I will share that in just a second. Like I said, it is an online workshop. So what happens is when you purchase the workshop, within 24 to 48 hours, I will email you all of the information, the login information to the website where the workshop is, where you could see the video, the supply list, and also if you choose, you can ask to join a Facebook group where we can all chat and, get to know each other, share our projects and all of that sort of thing, share tips and tricks, and just connect a little bit, and it's a lot of fun. And then also I did another video, because this workshop video was a lot shorter than ones that I've done in the past. I did record another video of how you can alter any old project and give it a new life, so if you have a tag or anything that you have laying around, you can just paint it black and add some art alchemy wax and give it a brand new look. So and then I will also be doing a live stream either on Facebook or YouTube, whatever you guys choose, and then that will be available for those only that are going to be taking the workshop. And let's see what else. There is no supplies that come in with the workshop. I get asked all the time. There's no supplies. It is just the video itself, and you have to use things that you have on hand, or you could purchase exactly what I've used. But I'm going to share now something exciting for one lucky person. All right, although I cannot put together kits for every single person, I thought it would be fun to offer kind of like a giveaway for the first 20 people that sign up for the workshop will be entered to win the kit for the workshop. So this is everything, and I'm going to include a few extra goodies just in case your creativity takes you somewhere else, and I totally get that happens sometimes. The only thing that you'll need is gesso, a paintbrush, and the art alchemy wax. And if you want to use like stenciling and like modeling paste or something on your project. But other than that, this is basically the sum of what is going to be included in the kit. And let me show you guys what it is. And I've never done this before, but I thought it would be fun. All right, so you get the 2 bases for the project, and you could do this, however, which way you want. There's a few different ways that you could do this. They should go together. There we go. And you can do it that way, whatever way you choose. Some lace from my stash. And one of these metal pieces, which I love. And I don't think I have any more of these. Some of these items are exclusive, like you can't really get them anywhere anymore. So, and then the 2 art pebbles, clock frame, some of these mechanicals from Prima, and then this spoon here from Frank Garcia's Memory Hardware line. So, yeah. So that is it. And you can head over to my website and sign up for the class, and I will keep adding your names to the list. And once I get to 20 people, or within a few weeks of the workshop being open, whatever comes first, I will choose a winner, and I will ship worldwide. So yeah, good luck. All right, so I am super excited for this online workshop. I hope you guys join me, and be sure to share this video on social media, email it to a friend. You can screenshot it and share it on Instagram, anything that you would like to get the word out. It really helps me out and I do appreciate it a lot. If you guys can give this video a thumbs up as well and leave me a comment down below, I would appreciate it too. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I will catch you guys later. Bye!